Introducing the LINA Series Quarter Circle by WareLight. Designed for modern commercial and architectural lighting applications, the LINA series combines clean aesthetics, flexible performance, and modular design into a single lighting solution. Available in black or white housing finishes, the LINA Quarter Circle features a slim 1.97-inch profile designed to complement a wide range of commercial interiors. This fixture can be installed as a standalone suspended accent, combined with additional fixtures to create flowing curved layouts and custom designs, or assembled into a complete circular pendant using 4 matching sections. No matter how it's configured, every fixture shares the same performance and features. The LINA Quarter Circle offers selectable wattages of 50, 60, 70, or 80 watts, delivering up to 8,400 lumens per section. Selectable color temperature allows you to choose between 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K, making it easy to match the lighting to the application. Adjustable direct and indirect light distribution provides comfortable downward illumination while adding soft uplight to brighten the ceiling and create a balanced architectural appearance. When 4 quarter circle fixtures are combined, they create a striking 8-foot diameter circular pendant, delivering up to 33,600 lumens while maintaining the same selectable wattage, color temperature, and direct-indirect lighting flexibility found in every individual section. The LINA series supports 0 to 10 volt dimming and operates on 120 to 277 volts for commercial applications. Each fixture includes 10-foot adjustable suspension cables, along with a 10-foot 5-wire power feed cable and canopy for installation. The LINA series is CUL listed and backed by our 5-year warranty for long-term reliability and peace of mind. Whether you're installing a single architectural accent, designing unique suspended layouts, or creating a bold circular centerpiece, the WareLight LINA series delivers the flexibility, performance, and modern styling today's commercial projects demand. Contact us today to learn more. Thanks for watching.